but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
Hey, Natural Lights. It's your girl, Little Miss Curls 82, and I am back with another video. This is my springtime decor. You guys, I purchased so many items, and some I've had for years, but in a nutshell, my items came from Amazon, Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Ross, Hobby Lobby. And I don't think I'm leaving anything out. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video of my springtime decor. And if you have any questions where I purchased specific items from, because the only thing that I actually tagged and put where it came from was the pillow covers, which I purchased from Amazon. But it's so many little goodies that I purchased to decorate for the springtime. And if you have any questions where these items came from, feel free to comment in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think. Just simply cute, and it just feels so springtime and comfy in here, and I enjoy decorating for the spring. So hope you guys enjoy. I will be showing you the living room, kitchen, and the bathroom area. I was gonna vlog my bedroom because I did do some changes to my bedroom as far as comforters, curtains, everything. But you guys, I'm rambling on. I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please do not forget, if you're not already a part of the Natural Light team, to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. I thank you guys who are already currently subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. And like always, thank you guys so very much for rocking with your girl, Little Miss Curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much. Until next time, peace.